Where's your eyes? Turo mo ang eyes. Saan yung eyes? Eyes. Very good. Where's your nose? Where's your head? Where's your armpit? Where's your elbow? Where's your ears? Where's your hands? Where's your knees? Knees. Knees. Where's your knees? Knees. Very good. Where's your feet? Where's your feet? Very good.